starts with three phases. Whenever a the business goes from one stage of evolution to second stage of evolution to third stage of evolution. Initially, when you are starting a business, an entrepreneur is starting the business, there is a lot of chaos. In this chaos, the entrepreneur thinks that he or she is managing the business, every activity is being managed by them, but they have no clarity about their profits, their margin, even their sales, their revenues. They are just going on doing the same business activity day by day, day on day, day on day, day on day, without any plan, any goal as to business and how it is going to run, how the business is going to scale up, whether the business is going to survive or not. They do not know. If you understood this, please type in the chaos or overwhelm in the comment box, because this is a stage where the business is in overwhelm stage or the business is in total utter chaos stage, when there is no clarity about even the future of the business, with whether this business is scalable or not, or whether this business will survive or not. If you understood this, type survive into the comment box. Post this, when the business passes this stage, there comes a stage where there is organization. Businessman or even entrepreneur organizes everything. There is a system, they build a system and they run this business. At this stage, the entrepreneur becomes a creator. Entrepreneur becomes the creator, and entrepreneur thinks that he or she is the king of that particular place, and the business is that is their kingdom. So it gives a rise to a situation where things are organized, they are running a bit properly, but things are still revolving around the entrepreneur or the owner of that business. In this situation, the business runs towards certain cycles, but over the period of time, things are organized. When things are organized, they are less overwhelming. When you keep things into their boxes, they are neatly arranged, this is to become overwhelming. So when the promoter or entrepreneur goes from something which is very chaotic or which is very overwhelming to this stage, they think now that everything is settled. However, the mistake they made is that they think that whatever they are doing is good and it is going to run for eternity. And this is a situation where mostly the old entrepreneurs, they find it very hard to let go of their business, because they prepared their business activities in such a way that everything revolves around them. Nothing goes beyond whatever they are doing. So in this situation, what happens is that this business ceases to become scalable. It is stage at a stage. It doesn't, it is stable. It is stable. It is going to stay stable unless there are some external forces, there are some factors which are going to hurt that business, but it is not going to be a successful business, nor it is going to scale anytime. So what happens is, over a period of time, first the profitability decreases. The person doesn't know, because the turnover has increased and you are getting enough money to run your house, to pay your bills. So initially you do not understand. The profitability goes down, then after a certain point of time revenue goes down and the gap narrows. One day, when you realize that you have made a mistake, by the time it is very late. Third and the ultimate stage of evolution of a business is the consciousness, where the business itself has the consciousness. Business itself runs on its own. And when this stage is achieved, the person who is managing the business is really liberated and the business goes to new heights. How does this happen? This happens with the properly created systems, properly created brackets under which you put the things under which your business goes, the systems for running the business, and your sales, your profit, your revenue, you are looking to increase that, and promoter gets to play on their strengths. On these three pillars, the business becomes conscious, business becomes an ecology in itself. So when a business becomes an ecology in itself, there is nothing that can hurt that business, and that business goes on. It goes to success, it goes to scalability, and this scalability is sustainable scalability, because you can scale your business overnight to some period. If you infuse money, if you have got some business for some time, banks will give you money, people will give you money, you put that money into your business, you can scale it, but that scaling, that scale should be sustainable. So when you can create that sustainable scale, then you can go for exponential growth, or even beyond that exponential growth. If you want to know more as to how to take your business from startup, even if you are a startup, even if you are thinking of starting up, you will need the business knowledge. You want to know about how to start up your business. If you are into the business, you want to know how to take your business to exponential growth and more, type in growth into the comment box and like this video. For 5 lucky winners, I will be personally calling them and giving them one-to-one advice, and will analyze their business. So if you are thinking that you want to grow your business, this is your golden opportunity. Ladies and gentlemen, I am Amit Kumar Ruparelia, signing off for the day. Thank you.